I'm out of breath. Maybe I should have waited a minute before I started recording. Hey y'all, welcome to T&T Homesteading. This is Terry. Came down this weekend, actually this week. It's a Friday, well, it's Friday afternoon right now. Just got down here, just put a fire in the stove. It was 41 degrees inside and 42 degrees outside, and it's a little chilly in there. I don't want it too warm inside though, because I'm going to be doing some work. So just started a small little fire to knock the chill off. Come down this week to finish the electrical work. I want to get the two lights next to the bed done. I want to get the light over the table done, and that's the plans. I want a couple of receptacles put in, and that way when we get here we can walk in the door, we can turn on lights, we can go to bed and have a light next to the bed and read. That's the plan. Anything else I get done is bonus. Thought about hunting, thought about working on some more tree work around the area. I don't really know anything else because the main thing I'm here for is the electrical work. If it goes as well as on the last time I was down here doing electrical, I may have lots of time. If it doesn't, I've got plenty of time to get the job done, and that's what I'm here for. I'll check on the garlic here some point this week. I saw it as I drove in. It looks like it's doing well, but I haven't went back and looked at it yet. That's pretty much it. My wife will come down for a couple of days. During this trip, I may go see a few friends while I'm down here. But the main point is get this electric done. And that will finish up almost all of our to-do lists that we set in place in January of 2022. And that's going to be amazing. I'm out of breath. Maybe I should have waited a minute before I started recording. What I ended up just finished doing is I've drilled holes through all the supports of the loft on both sides to run the line. And I made quite the mess, as expected. And that's why I wanted to start with this before I brought everything in. I brought a vacuum cleaner so I can vacuum, and then once I vacuumed I can bring the rest of my stuff in. All right, well I think that's going to be it for the evening. It's about 4:30. I'm going to need a few more things, and I don't really want to get in the middle of something else and get stuck and whatnot. So about time for some dinner as well, so that's also a good reason to stop. Let me show you real quick what I did get done. First, I got this old-fashioned switch that my wife wanted installed. Now, it don't do anything yet, but it is installed and wired in. I've got the wire ran across. I went ahead, like I said earlier, and drilled the holes. That wire is just hanging over there until I get the rest of the wire connected. It'll go back there. I will not do this part until my wife is here, but I'll cut a hole in the top of one of these boards for the light fixture that we're going to put over the table. I just want to make sure we put it where she wants it. And it's not a big deal. I just got to make sure that's done correct. I got all the holes drilled over here. I do have the pipe installed. Goes through the table for a receptacle down at the bottom, and of course to the light fixture that we already have. Tomorrow probably I will drop another wire down, probably, and then we'll put a light on that side of the bed. So that shelf right there, that little section, will come out so we can have the light. Anyway, that's one thing. Actually, one other thing I got done is we installed a remote on those light switches, or those lights. So I can turn it on and off. Come on, where's the off? There it is. Off from the door. So technically, we don't really need that lamp anymore. It actually gives really good light, so we'll leave it for right now. But I don't have to make my way over there to the light to get it turned on in the dark. I can just grab the remote and hit the button. We're pretty excited about that. Okay, I'm pretty excited about that. No more stub toes, no more tripping over anything, that kind of stuff. Still got quite a bit to do tomorrow, but I think I'll get a lot done. And I don't want to say any more because I'll jinx myself and get it, you know, hit some snag and be stuck. So I'm hopeful that I'll get a lot done tomorrow. Running wires, that's going to be the big one. Running wires where I need them. And wire them in. My wife won't get here until tomorrow afternoon. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for tonight. And talk to y'all tomorrow.